Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm so glad that you're here today. I hope you're having a great day or the day of your choice. I usually say that at the end, but I still hope you're having a great day at the beginning. I hope you are subscribed and you like and you leave a comment. And today I am opening my Bijou box. I'm not sure which one it is. It'll tell me inside. It feels pretty light. So we shall see what is in here. I love Bijou, one of my favorite boxes. She's been running behind, so I'm not sure what this is. And it should tell me inside. Happy July Mini! And I had actually canceled the Mini, but it's a $10 subscription with $5.95 shipping. And it's a mini mystery box. Oh, and it's pretty cute, but I'd already canceled it, but I got it anyway. So there's 3 things in here, so for $10, not bad. And this is from Beauty Creations, which I like Beauty Creations quite a bit for an indie brand. Let's slide it out of here, and it's super cute. Got like little amoebas or cells or something. Tough to get off. And this is called Splash of Love. Oh, it's a little glitter palette. How cute is that? I love glitter. I don't have any blue glitters. I do have silver, but I'll have to keep this handy. Keep it with my glitters. Very cute. Or I don't know. Maybe I won't keep it. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm on the fence because I don't do very many blue looks. But that's very pretty. And then we've got a Suva Beauty pressed eyeshadow. And it is in the color Resort. And it's very pretty, and I'll put it with my single shadows. But I have a Z palette waiting to put them in. And then last but not least is from OMFG Cosmetics Cake Pop Eyeliner Cake. Cool. I love eyeliner. And ooh, wow. It is a color that I know I will not use, but it's very pretty. It's like an aqua. And I'm sure you just add a little water and you use a brush and you add it on, but I know I will not use this, so this will be going in a giveaway. Very pretty though. And that color is called Cake Pop. And that is it. It's the mini mystery box from Bijou, and I look forward to getting my regular box in soon from Bijou Beauty. And I've got a discount code, which is Rhonda Said, all one word. That gives you 20% off of a single box or a subscription. I don't know if it works on the mini mystery box or not, but her boxes are fantastic. And for $10 to get a single eyeshadow, a glitter palette, and a eyeliner, that's really great. So good job. We love you, Bijou. Have a great day. Ow. Mother of God, that hurt. But have a great day. We'll see you real soon.